I mean, who in the right mind would jump off of this big of an object?
To the drive riders,
you ready to get rough?
jumping out like this.
Are you ready to get rough up in here?
Influence,
E-Tribe,
NIC, Renee, Love Z, Germany, Machiavelli, E-Tribe. We put it down like that. Y'all bob your necks. Feel it? Come on, come on, come on. Move by vision, straight up on a mission. The Lord and WZ cooking up something in the kitchen.
For us, we're just looking for another adrenaline rush. We need something bigger and better.
Like Igor in the lab, y'all know it's dead or bad. No teeth, brush in, no clothes, change in. We on a roll, split in. The words stack, stack, stack. Penetrate the heart to be attacked. Your soul just like that, anointed rhyme. I'm back, creeping through the cracks into your life. From the back, so in the seat with the soundtrack. Oh yeah, the big racks in the whack, white racks. Snatch your Bible, big clothes, and pad your backpacks. Engage spiritual contact, bringing it strap. We quest fabulous, add to the phone, we roam like that. Loco, motion, Amtrak, slam dunk like Shaq. Eternal tribe like a Kurt Warner comeback. Go and get in that house. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. Make your whole offense disappear like Casper. Cause the friendly Holy Ghost rock your boat, turn you everything to toast. But you never hear a boast, cause the most high is to be glorified. So throw your new hood up on high. The kingdom of heaven, that's right. Ha ha ha. We live like this, we roll like this, we flow like this. We Christ fabulous, we fly like we fly, we ride like we ride, represent like we represent. We Christ fabulous.
banging tracks, purified.
Just a blast, going with a couple of guys and doing something totally new.
And once I jumped off, it was just like a normal day.
That was a rush.
Now we gotta find a bigger boat. Where are we gonna find a bigger boat?